y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christy. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing and demoing the new Physicians Formula X Casey Holmes. So if you want to see my review on the new Casey Holmes collection, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this beautiful box, and on the back you'll see her face, and then just kind of like the ingredients, stuff like that that's inside the box. And then the message she wrote, she said, "I'm so excited to be partnering with Physicians Formula to bring my exclusive butter collection palette. This palette contains a couple of my favorite butter products and some that we created specifically for my fans. I am so proud of this collection. It's truly the perfect go-to all-in-one palette. I hope you love it as much as I do." And then when you open the box, make sure my lights don't get it, you'll see her picture here, her signature, and then she has another message in here, and she says, "I chose these colors because I wanted this to be your everyday go-to palette with shades that you can create multiple looks with. All these colors can be taken from day to night, and I absolutely love the deep green to add some spice to any look. I think green looks amazing on all eye colors and is perfect shade to pop all over the lid or even the lower lash line. Don't forget that you can add the highlighter and bronzer to your eye look as well. You really have so many options with this palette, and you really do. I think when looking at this, you're like, wait a minute, like I'm missing something. But like I said, if you're trying to do a no makeup look, I say that 3 times fast. You can always use your bronzer as a transition shade and just have something in your crease and give your crease some definition. This is the Cult Butter Bronzer. I use this all over my face. It's really warmed up the skin, and I have this in my collection and I really enjoy it. And then next up we have is the Copper Cabana Butter Blush, and you guys will see that it's just a really pretty like pinky blush that you can just use every single day, and I love it has like a little bit of sheen to it. So if you're not really into highlights, that you can have like a little bit of sheen on your face and you just have a total complete matte look. So next up we have is the highlighter that I have on my face, which I really enjoy. So I have a thing to say about this, and this is a type of highlighter that I think that you'll like it or you don't. So this highlighter does have like little microfine glitters in it. So if you guys remember the Anastasia, the Nicole Guerrero palette, when a lot of her, mostly all the shades had like little pieces of fine glitter, like you can kind of see it. You can kind of see it in the pan here. But in the highlighter, it has that. So if you don't like that type of highlighter, you may not like this highlighter, but it just gives you a really pretty glow and sheen, and it's just like a really, really pretty highlighter. And then next up we have the Butter eyeshadows. So these are the limited edition. I've never used Physicians Formula eyeshadows, so I didn't know what to expect when I was using them. So in my crease, I just use the No Filter, and then all over the lid pretty much the Do Not Disturb color. It's just like a really bony color. And then on the lower lash line, I just used the No Filter on the lower lash line, and then just did a little bit of liner and some mascara, and just kept it really simple, and then popped the highlighter in my inner corners. Now with the bundle, you do get 2 extra products, and you do get this is Murumuru Butter. It's just a really pretty hydrating lipstick, and this is in the shade Pop the Bubbly. So it is a really, really pretty shade. I'll kind of swatch it for you guys right here. But that is just a really pretty like pinky sheen. It has a little bit of gold in it, so when you have it on your lips, you have like a really pretty glow, and it just really just makes your lips look really healthy and juicy. And then of course, next in the collection, you have the Physicians Formula Butter Paradise perfume, and I haven't sprayed it myself yet because I want to give my first impression, but I kind of did a little bit of a sniff, and it smells literally heavenly. So see if it can come out. Oh, it smells so good. It's just like, it just smells like just paradise. Exactly what it says. It just smells like paradise. And so for this collection, it was $19.94, which honestly, I want to say just the bronzer itself, I think it's like $10 or $11. I can't remember how much it is, but this is a really great way to try out Physicians Formula if you're really intrigued into their products. They are found at the drugstore, so you can find it at Ulta, Target, Walmart, all of that. The only negative thing I would have to say about this is that it's really not travel friendly. You probably would be able to pop the pans out, but I would be afraid that it would pop out and then it would just like fall on the ground and just bust everywhere. So that's the only downside to this. But other than that, The formula was great. Like I said, I've tried the butter bronzer before. I've never tried their blushes, so I was really excited about that. And then the highlighter was just phenomenal. You guys could just see it on my face. And then all the eyeshadows performed great. But I'll go ahead and swatch them for you real quick. But overall, I really enjoyed everything. Like, I really liked it. The eyeshadows were super buttery, like they say, butter eyeshadows. Like I said, I don't know if it's in stock or not. So like I said, if I can find it, I will link it down in the description box. But overall for this collection, I really enjoyed it. The packaging was super duper cute. And I really liked everything that came inside of it. And if, like I said, for $19 for everything you get, I really think it was worth the money. So if you can get your hands on this, I definitely recommend it. I love Casey Holmes, and I think that she doesn't get a lot of recognition in the YouTube beauty community as with other YouTubers. So leave me in the comments down below, what are your thoughts of this collection? Do you like it? Do you not? I want to hear it. So that is it for this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.